Hi, welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor, and today we're going to break down how to navigate emergency parental custody in Texas. When a child's safety is at immediate risk, the legal system in Texas provides a way for parents or guardians to take fast action through emergency custody, but the process must be handled carefully and correctly to be effective. Emergency custody is designed to protect a child when there's credible and immediate concern for their safety or well-being. The key is proving to the court that without swift intervention, the child could face serious harm. To begin the process, you'll need to file a petition with the court outlining the facts of your case. The petition should detail why you believe emergency custody is necessary and what harm could come to the child if the court does not act quickly. Supporting evidence is critical to demonstrate the urgency and seriousness of the situation. Once the petition is filed, the court may schedule an emergency hearing, often within a few days or even a few hours, depending on the circumstances. If the judge agrees that the child is in immediate danger, they can issue a temporary order granting emergency custody. This order will stay in effect until a full hearing can be held, giving both parties the chance to present more detailed evidence and testimony. It's important to remember that emergency custody is not a permanent solution. It's a temporary measure to protect the child while the legal process plays out. That's why it's critical to follow every legal step correctly and work with an attorney who can guide you through the filings, deadlines, and hearings. If you believe your child is in danger and needs emergency protection, acting quickly and correctly is essential. Our team is here to help you take the right steps and protect your child and your parental rights. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation today to discuss your situation, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Texas family law insights. Thank you for watching.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.